got Jeffco Theatre Festival happening today at the Arvada Center. They give us so many spaces that we can have workshops and opportunities for students to perform.
And you're gonna duck under.
There's so many different cool things
That's your real voice.
that these workshops can teach you.
And then you guys will have a conversation for a little bit.
I get to hang out with friends from other schools. I get to practice the thing that I love at school, which is theater.
Step, turn.
Being able to develop as an actor in so many different categories, I was able to become a better dancer, and then I was able to perform and get some feedback, which was really amazing.
Giant loud whistles, I ain't slept in 5 days.
My biological clock is ticking like this.
It's important for these young artists to find their voices, as well as to be able to communicate with one another.
Got a couple of boxes and a couple.
It helps support presentation skills, public speaking, putting projects together, collaborating.
I feel like a lot of the times you can feel like alone in a world filled with like STEM and sciences and sports, that you just want to see other people reflected in the arts. And this is a great place to come where people just can feel that connection and see other people doing what they love.
Cinnamon raisin bread? We can make billions.
We can make trillions.
I think it's all about the community building and the feeding off the support that you get. That kind of bolstered my own confidence in myself.
The concept of being able to transform into whoever you want to be is so freeing as a young person. You truly have autonomy over who you become in your life. And that's why I think theater is important for young people.
I've learned so much from the talented people who've hosted workshops here, and also from my peers, just watching them do their performances and being able to cheer them on.
Give students like us who are in JSTAT opportunities for leadership, and we love being able to bring together these great events.
Middle school and high school, and we have over 686 students registered for this event.
Invaluable support of the Jeffco Schools Foundation. Without their unwavering commitment, none of this would have been possible. Thank you, Jeffco Schools!